Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. So today I have put together start to finish the double eagle order that I was working on. Now I know we already put a video out, chainsaw carving, blocking them out and delivering them. That's going to be the first part of this video, and at the end we're going to go ahead and show the install. Now we installed these eagles in a crazy snowstorm, so you guys will see the snow kind of going on. It blows in, gets real heavy, and then sort of fades out and comes back. And the weather was nuts that day. It really was. It was it was something. I was pretty happy though that the customer had a contractor who's a friend that had a lift for us. A couple guys came over to help me out, or I helped them out, I should say. They manned the lift and, you know, kept us safe, and it made the install so much easier. Really do appreciate that we were able to use that lift and have a extra couple hands installing the eagle. So that was pretty nice. But hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit the bell, hit all if you guys haven't done those things already. And thanks for watching.
All right, guys, so I wanted to start with the tree. We'll be mounting the Eagles 2. This is a maple. It's pretty big. Now, as you guys can see, it has seen better days. The tree was topped a few years back. I discussed the condition of the current tree stump with the customer, so they just kind of understood what was going on here. And they wanted to move forward with the carvings anyway. So what I decided was we needed to carve the eagles separate and mount them after, just because I wasn't sure what kind of wood I'd be getting into as far as rot or punkiness at the top of that tree if we carved them all out of, you know, the trunk of the tree. So as you guys can see, as we work our way up the top here, these were, you know, my drawings, sketches to kind of show the customer roughly what we'd be looking at when everything was completed and the eagles were mounted. Alright guys, so here's the Eagles. They've all been painted and airbrushed. Detail paint's been done. See this one closest to us? I lost the footage. I seem to have lost the footage carving that guy, so we only get to see the one in the background being carved. Sorry about that. Now, while these guys are inside, I end up putting a 2-part epoxy on them instead of an exterior polyurethane. I think this is going to be the best way to go, since how they're going to be in the direct elements all the time. Here's both Eagles in the bed of my truck. Give you guys an idea how big they are. That bed of that truck's about 7 feet long. I mean, they're pretty good size Eagles. Constructed them so the wings could come on and off, so we can mount the body of the Eagles to the top of the tree stump and then add the wings separately. We'll do that with glue, silicone, and some giant timberlock screws to kind of tie it all together. Now, this really was an awesome carve. The customers were super happy when I showed up with these, and it really was a lot of fun to create. So here we are. The customer had a friend come who owned a big lift. As you can see, we had a guy manning the lift, and one of the guys came up to give me a hand mounting the Eagles. Here we're getting the wings on the first one. We did the top Eagle first, but you guys can see the snow. In a few seconds, you guys will really see the storm kick up. It got nasty real quick, but we were able to get the job done. It was still a good day. We were a little cold, but all in all, I think it was worth it in the end, to have a very happy customer, to see his Eagles mounted. And, that's what it's all about, honestly. Creating some really cool pieces for some great customers and having them be just as excited as you are and just as happy with the final product. So, take a look at the weather. It's crazy. It's just crazy. It's snowing. Here it is. It starts kicking up. You guys see the tops of those trees. They start bending a little and blowing in the breeze. I mean, right about here is about whiteout conditions for us up there. The wind is really, really blowing hard. Here it is kicking up real heavy. It was just craziness. We had to come down right there, actually. We had to go get some different screws. A couple spots at the top of that tree were just rock solid, and the screws we had weren't cutting it, so we had to grab some different ones so we could mount everything good and secure up there. I'm eager, though, to see over the years how these guys fare, how that epoxy does with the weather. I really do think it's going to hold up a lot better than the polyurethane, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. All in all, though, it was a good day, though. We were safe. I'd say we were warm, but we weren't very warm. Everything went pretty smooth, though, and when that's how a day goes, you really can't ask for too much more. If you guys are still here, you're enjoying this, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for me. Alright guys, we're not done quite yet, but just wanted to put that reminder out there. Also, big thank you to all my members, for those of you that help support this channel directly. Being a member, there's a few different tiers here that are available, and I really do appreciate it. It means a lot, and it does help the channel continue to keep going and growing, so thank you guys.
All right, guys, been up in the lift. There they are. The Eagles have landed. Told you guys I'd show you. I know you might not be able to see very well, but there they are. Give you guys a little zoom in there. Be sure to check out part 1 of this video. I'll have it popping up here at the end, guys. Give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe for me, and I gotta go warm up. Hope you guys have an awesome day. See you.